In the ever-evolving theater of automotive design, there are moments of quiet evolution, and then there are moments of seismic revolution. What you are witnessing is not merely an update. It is a fundamental reimagining of an automotive icon. This is the 2026 Ford Explorer, and it represents a paradigm shift, a daring new chapter for a nameplate we thought we knew. Let's begin with the exterior, a masterclass in controlled aggression and futuristic elegance. Bathed in this liquid metal silver, the vehicle possesses an undeniable presence. The design language has shed its predecessor's softer curves for an unapologetically bold, architectural aesthetic. The front fascia is an audacious statement of intent. A formidable blacked-out grille, intricate in its pattern, dominates the view, seamlessly integrating into a revolutionary lighting architecture. The primary headlamps are compressed into sleek, horizontal LED bars, while dramatic, C-shaped daytime running lights frame the powerful, geometric bumper structure. It's a look that feels both inspired by rugged, off-road titans and yet projected from a distant future. Moving along the profile, the muscularity continues. Substantial, black-clad wheel arches house enormous, intricate black alloy wheels that promise capability. The bodywork is meticulously sculpted with a high, taut shoulder line that speaks to strength and stability. Notice the blacked-out side mirrors, mounted on the doors for improved aerodynamics and a modern bespoke touch. This isn't just an SUV, it's a piece of kinetic sculpture, blending the pragmatic ruggedness of a utility vehicle with the sharp, clean lines of a concept car. But Ford's revolution doesn't stop with the sheet metal. Step inside, and you are greeted not by a simple cabin, but by a sophisticated digital sanctuary. The immediate focal point is the monumental, vertically oriented central touchscreen. This is the command center of the 2026 Explorer, poised to run the next generation of Ford's Sync infotainment system. Its sheer scale and integration into the dashboard signify a leap into a tech-forward philosophy. Directly ahead of the driver, a fully digital instrument cluster replaces traditional gauges, offering crisp, customizable readouts. The entire cockpit is swathed in a deep black, a mixture of what appears to be premium leather and soft-touch, suede-like materials. This darkness is punctuated by a striking bronze or orange contrast stitching that meticulously traces the contours of the seats, the sporty, flat-bottomed steering wheel, and the dashboard itself, adding a bespoke, athletic ambiance. And yet, amidst this digital revolution, Ford has retained a commendable sense of ergonomic intelligence. Below the vast screen, a series of tactile physical knobs and buttons for climate and volume control remain. This thoughtful blend of digital interface and physical feedback is a testament to a driver-focused design that prioritizes usability without sacrificing technological progress. The minimalist center console, featuring a sleek rotary gear selector, further enhances the cabin's clean, uncluttered, and premium feel.